What's up, YouTube fam? We are back with another video. I'm at my uncle and aunt's house for her 60th birthday. Decided to take the vet out since this will be the first time after it's been wrapped, and I do need to make sure it's exposed to the sun for any bubbling, so I get that fixed. But so I'm going to show you guys real quick what it looks like right now. There was some bubbling, some issues. We'll go over real quick here. All right, guys, so my wife also has not really seen this, so she's going to take a look here as well. But man, she looks good, guys. What do you think? Yeah, the wife too. But so let me show you some of the areas that do have issues. All right, guys, so right down here it looks like it's been scratched, but it's not. If you look, the wrap unfortunately was pulled a little too hard, too much with the heat, and then it left this type of residue. It's kind of hard to focus, but
so there's no actual city.
It looks pretty bad. And then unfortunately here you guys can kind of see a little bit hard to show you on camera actually. Wow. Here